Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am back with a detailed video of how I get a silk press at home. Alright, so let's go ahead and get straight to it. I am going to show you from start to beginning the steps and products that I use to get my hair as straight as possible. I am starting on freshly washed hair. Make sure when you wash your hair you are double cleansing. I will have a list of products that below that I recommend using if you need help finding products. Also, they will be listed on my Amazon storefront as well. I noticed that clarifying shampoos work better for your hair when you're wanting to straighten your hair because it not only removes all of the dirt, but it removes all of the oil as well. Going over your hair twice with the shampoo ensures that you have no product left on your hair. Now, you're not supposed to do this, but I do this. I skip the conditioning step because I have not found a conditioner yet that does not leave my hair feeling greasy afterwards. The conditioners that I have used have weighed my hair down and my silk press does not turn out as good. So if you guys have any recommendations for a good conditioner, please let me know. I then go in with two different types of heat protectants, one being a hair serum by Dove and the second being a hairspray by Tresemme. I section my hair off into 4 different sections that will help with the blow drying process. I detangle my hair using a paddle brush first before going over it with my blow dryer. This blow dryer helps to get my hair straight. This is probably the second most important step because the more straight you get your hair during the blow drying stage, the less work you will have to do when you start the silk press process.
That my best friend, she a real bad, got her own money. She don't need no on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend, she a real bad, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. Beep, beep, is that my bestie in a taxi? Fresh blowout, skin on town, she ready. You look good with a T at the end. I'm a hyper every time, now my motherfucking friend. She been down since the jellies and the bobos. Now me stepping out the Jeep and my nullos. When we pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. It's a finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a sea life. Guess what? All the rich ass boys wanna on earth. I just end up, you could look, don't touch. And I'm bad, bustin' bands every time we link up. That my best friend, she a real bad, got her own money. She don't need no on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and
Now that I have finished blow drying my hair, I make sure that my roots are completely dry before moving on.
don't need a key. If you sideways, you straight and you with me to be. And she's so bad that I just can't take that nowhere. She off her fish, I said, don't go there. Break her back, she protect and attack. Get that strap, let them buckle, foot on neck, big no air. Whole world wanna be us. And my main, she my day one. On my way, let you get drunk, celebrate.
I then go in with that second heat protectant spray that I mentioned earlier.
Money, she don't need no on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend, she a real bad, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. Best friend, you the baddest and you know it. Uh-oh, girl, I think our booty going. Get up in the mirror, hit them poses. Best friends and you blowing.
I section my hair off into 2 sections now, and I will be using a hair straightening spray. This spray is optional. I choose to use it because I feel that my hair comes out better with it than without it. And you guys, I have been using this straightening spray for like, I want to say a decade now. This is considered an oil-based spray. A little goes a long way. You may be wondering why I would choose an oil-based spray when I just cleansed all of the oil out of my hair. It is because this oil is lightweight and it will not weigh down my hair. It is not as heavy as the oils and products that I use on my hair on a daily basis. I start off with a small section and spray it on my hair. If you see steam coming from the straightener, it is because of the oil, but there isn't any damage happening to my hair. I will go over my roots a few times to make sure they are flat and then do one pass of the straight iron through my hair. I am doing the chase method, which works better for me with a brush. So doing only one pass through my hair will ensure that I do not get any heat damage. My straightener is set to, I believe, about 380 degrees, but nothing more than 400 degrees. Once you pass 400 degrees, you are looking at getting heat damage. I am going to let you guys watch the straightening process and I will be back.
That my best friend, she a real bad, got her own money. She don't need no on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend, she a real bad, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. Beep, beep. Is that my bestie in a taxi? Fresh blowout, skin on town, she ready. You look up with a T at the end. I'm a hyper every time, now my motherfucking friend. She been down since the jellies and the bobos. Now me stepping out the G and my nullos. When we pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a C life. Guess what? All the rich ass boys wanna on earth. I just end up, you can look, don't touch. And I'm bad, bustin' bands every time we link up. That my best friend, she a real bad, got her own money. She don't need no on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend, she a real bad, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend, if you need a freak, I ain't dumb but muff, she my Tweedledee. If she buy for me, she don't need a key. If you sideways, you straighten, you need a beat. If she's so bad that I just can't take that nowhere. She off her fish, I said, don't go there. Break her back, she protect and attack. Get that strap, let them buckle, foot on neck, big no air. Whole world wanna be us. And my main, she my day one, on my way. Let you get drunk, celebrate, cause we the baddest in the club. That my best friend, she a real bad, got her own money. She don't need no on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend, she a real bad, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. Best friend, you the baddest and you know it. Uh-oh, girl, I think our booty going. Get up in the mirror, hit them poses. Best friends and you love blowing. Best friends and your wrist is like it's frozen. Uh-oh, girl, I think our booty growing. Get up in the mirror, hit them poses. Best friend, you my muff blowing.
always make a separate video answering any questions you may have about my straight hair. So whatever you want to know, leave your questions down in the comment box below.